Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran. This is my sous chef Ian.
How you doing today?
And today we are going to be closing out with our 4-part series of our Valentine's Day special.
Yes.
So on our plate, we're giving you a salmon nugget appetizer, and we're going to have for our salad a shrimp pasta salad. So Ian already has our chicken broth boiling, so we can cook our pasta. But in the interim, while he's doing that, while he's waiting for the water boil, we will get together. We've already cleansed. Well, I think it's important to clean any type of meat or seafood that you eat. And so we've already had it soaking in lemon juice, and we've rinsed it off and patted dry. And now he is going to put the seasoning, my 21 herb and spice blend seasoning on it, and he's going to coat it in panko, and we're going to air fry it in the air fryer. And then we'll work on our pasta salad. So, but before we get into all that, we want to do our vitamin content. Our salmon nuggets has B6, B12 D, and omega-3 fatty acid and potassium. Our pasta salad has, our butter has vitamins A, D, E, B12, and K2. Our pasta has vitamins B, folate, thiamine, niacin, riboflavin. Our shrimp has vitamins B, B12, D, and selenium. Our carrots has vitamin A, beta-carotene, biotin, and potassium. And celery has vitamin C, beta-carotene as well, flavonoids, and it's a great antioxidant. And red bell peppers has vitamins A, niacin, C, B2, B6, folate, and potassium. And our raspberries has vitamins A, potassium, thiamine, and B6. Ian's waiting for his chicken broth to boil so he can put his pasta. He's going to start to move ahead and coat up our salmon nuggets with some EVOO on top of it, which is extra virgin olive oil. Ooh, your thing is boiling.
It's boiling, yes.
Okay.
So I want to get it. Go ahead, Mama. Go ahead. Throw it in there for me.
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you, Mama.
And then he already had a little bit of Himalayan salt.
Yes.
And black pepper and a little olive oil so it doesn't stick. Ian now is going to take his salmon nuggets in this bowl. He's going to coat it up with some extra virgin olive oil.
Olive oil, Mama.
Thank you.
I got it for you, Mama. You're going to coat it up with olive oil.
And then he will put his 21 and spices seasoning from Mama Fran. Chef Fran.
Just sprinkle it around, Mama?
Yes, my chefing. Look at you go.
I'm learning from you.
Yeah, season it up.
A little more, I think.
You might need a little, wait, you want to put it back in there.
I'm sorry. Go ahead, Mama.
Go ahead.
Go ahead and do it. I think that's a lot.
No, it's not a lot because it's not like
that's right.
salty or anything.
That's right, you're right.
Just some herbs and some spices. But
Kind of neat.
So you can now kind of coat it up.
Yeah.
And then he's going to put it in the panko and just kind of shake it up together. So these are what our salmon nuggets look like, uncooked. We just have the panko on it, and we just sprayed some extra virgin olive oil on it, and it's going in the air fryer, and Ian's going to put it.
Thank you, Mom.
And then he is going to cook up these beautiful shrimps to go in our pasta, our shrimp pasta salad. Our pasta's cooling down. Before we can add the mayo and Dijon to it, we definitely need it to cool down with a little smoked paprika that we have, and adding our veggies, which is carrots and celery and red bell peppers. We need that to cool down to room temperature. Here's our salmon nuggets, and I'm gonna make the dipping sauce for it. And Ian's gonna finish our shrimp pasta salad.
Thank you.
And so Ian's just gonna incorporate the mayo, the honey Dijon, our carrots, our celery, our red bell peppers, and here's the secret.
Woo! Smoked paprika.
And for us, here our dipping sauce is going to contain a little bit of balsamic glaze, some Marsala wine, some seedless red raspberries. Make sure we get all of that goodness in here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then some fresh raspberries. Mm-hmm. And some chipotle. Look, you did such a fantastic job.
Why, thank you, Mom, but
Look at the pasta salad.
yeah,
And look at these salmon nuggets.
Yeah,
I can't wait to try it with this dipping sauce.
mm-hmm.
So,
Hey, you want to give it one shot first or no? All right.
I'm going to use my fingers.
All right.
My hands are clean and I'm my own boo thing and I'm eating my own.
Okay.
So,
Bon appetit.
bon appetit.
Oops. All right. Here we go.
I can't wait. Let's
I
see.
really am looking forward to tasting this thing.
This is a raspberry dipping sauce for Valentine's.
Wow. Wow.
That salmon is so soft, as you can see. You hear the crunch from the panko. We air fried this so you can turn around and eat some dessert because you're gonna watch your figure because you didn't fry it in oil. This is so good.
Oh, it's their Valentine's, right? So they're allowed
Valentine's, yeah, they're allowed to splurge. We got a nice little splurging dessert for them later.
Wow.
So good. Let me try the pasta
Yeah,
salad.
that's what I'm looking forward to.
You hear that crunch? Wow.
So,
Let's try it. Get my little celery here. Where's my shrimp? Ooh, there's my shrimp. Yes.
wow. That is delicious.
So creamy. Of course, from the mayo. But then you have the refreshing from the celery. And the paprika, that smoked paprika's everything in here. It just gives it like an exotic taste. Something so simple, tasting so yummy and delicious because of a smoked paprika. You guys should try it if you haven't tried it before. Oh my gosh, so good. I urge you to definitely try this. If you're gonna alternate, let us know what you did to alternate. So write that in your comments.
Yeah, let us know. That'd be nice. What do you think?
I am loving every bite of this.
I am too. This is delicious.
I almost can't stop eating it. And I'm not going to stop eating it.
No.
However, please don't forget to give us a virtual hug by clicking the like button. And subscribe.
Be part of the family, right,
Be
Mom?
part of the family and subscribe.
Yes.
Share. Remember, sharing is caring. This is love season. Sharing is caring. Share our channels with your loved ones. You want to be able to get weekly updates of what we're doing, as far as what we're cooking. You have to subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you can know. We look forward that you came and hung out with us today.
Yes.
We look forward to being with you again. Thank you so much. We love you. Thank you. Happy day.
Bye-bye now.
Bye.